Alright, welcome back to the channel, guys. On this video, we'll be unboxing the epic Flex XFE 7-15 150 right here. I caught a steal of a deal, guys. The reason I jumped on this is because we had catastrophic failure. As you can see, guys, I dropped my sure hold 3500 and look, snap right off. Snap right off. That's the reason I got it. But I found it on eBay. The seller had it up there for $255, no reserve, or buy it now at $355. We already know I have a steal of a deal right here with this package. You know, so we're gonna go ahead and bust it open and show you guys what I got. Guys, here it is. The Flex XFE 7-150. Let's go ahead and get this bad boy. Guys, I'm like a little kid on Christmas right now. Christmas came early. Guys, here it is. The Flex XFE 7-150 dual action polisher. $255, guys. Woo-wee, guys. The Flex XFE 7-150. Check it out, check it out. Check it out. Check it out. Guys, I caught a steal of a deal on this polisher. The Flex XFE 7-150. This is the finisher. Alright, now let's go over some features of this polisher. It does have vent holes in the handle, which in turn sucks air through the vent holes, goes up past the motor, and goes down through the backing plate, which in turn cools the pads, which keeps the panels nice and cool that you're working on. That's an awesome design. I'm definitely looking forward to using it. I only have 5-inch pads, so I'm gonna either have to buy a 5-inch backing plate or buy some bigger pads to fit this 6-inch backing plate. Stay tuned, let's get it. You know, of course, you already know I do have the beast, the Flex 3401 VRG. I do have the original VRG. I do know that they made a new VRG shape and pattern after this model right here, but it's forced rotation, looks just like this. But I won't be upgrading to that. Definitely won't until my beast dies. But you know, other than that, my beast is still killing them right now. I'm slaying paint with it right now. I just slayed a few cars today. Actually, I'll show you the Porsche that I slayed today with the Flex 3401.
as well as the as you can see, BMW on to something different. But yeah, this is on speed 1, it's 3,500 RPMs. On speed 2, it's 4,200. On speed 3, 5,400. On speed 4, 66. Speed 5, 7,800. Speed 6, 9,000 RPMs from the Flex XFE 7-15 150, the Flex Polisher, Polish Flex. As you can see, guys, it's nice and crispy. It's brand new. I mean, I can still feel the clicking. I can still feel the clicking in the dial as I move the dial. It's still clicking right now. But yeah, like I said, the speeds right here. I'm definitely excited, ready to use it. You know, the reason I purchased this is because the old girl had a bad day on the job site, and I need to get a fix. I know, of course, this is a 15 millimeter. You cannot compare a 15 to a 21. They're two different animals. So this is a 15 millimeter. You know, to team up with the rest of my Flex polishers, caught it for $250, guys. You know, I caught a steal on that. You know, I'm not trying to replace this. I am going to repair this because I do like the Sure-Hold 3500. We will be repairing this, so stay tuned. And I'm going to send it off and I'm going to show you guys what it looked like when I get it back. Let's get it. But yeah, like I said, man, Flex XFE 7-15 caught a steal of a deal on this bad boy, guys. Oh man, I don't think you can ever get a deal like this right here. But that's pretty much it, guys. Thanks for viewing. This is just my take on purchasing one of these things. I caught a steal of a deal. I just wanted to share with you guys what I found and the price that I found it at. It's unbelievable and unbeatable. With that, I'm out, and I'll see you on the next one. We're definitely gonna do some polishing with it, and we'll bring you guys in so you guys can see what's going on. Thanks for viewing, and we'll see you on the next one.